Thomas Peters was born in Maastricht, an old city in the south of the Netherlands, in 1921. He died in a small place in Brazil called Tangawa, near Rio de Janeiro, in 1998. He became a priest in later life and was consecrated in 1956. He studied in Switzerland and France and joined the French Order of Franciscans of Sales. In 1958, he left for Brazil, to São Paulo, his first mission, and then he worked in the southern state of Santa Catarina, and later in Rio de Janeiro and Tangawa, until his death. He was a striking person, a social worker, a poet, an archaeologist, a songwriter. He wrote many songs and poems in his native language. He loved traveling, and he loved a good drink. To help the people was his goal. Sometimes he had problems with the church authorities and had to answer for his actions. Since he said that the church had helped the poor by building houses and no churches, for they were enough in Brazil. One of the favorite subjects were the Vikings, which he stated that they had also reached Brazil. Which caused a big controversy. Later he founded a small museum in Santa Catarina, in the city of Caçador. He collected many objects, arrows and spearheads. His pride were the many stone heads he found along the rivers in Santa Catarina, artifacts with Viking features, proof that the Norman were doing Brazil. He wrote about messianism in Brazil, a fact that arose in many poor areas. There were leaders who led people, the poor people, to a better world, a world without hunger and thirst. This happened in the south, like Santa Catarina, but also in the dry and barren areas of the northeast of the country. His optimism supported him in his work. He gave to the beggar. He understood the poor. Pater Thomas Peters died with a smile on his face. His life has been valuable.
In the sky.